There's a black mark on her soul. In her hands is my heart, and she won't let go till it's scarred. Try to breathe, but I can't, 'cause the air she feeds me is damned. Got a touch like a thorn, 'cause the girl she's hiding horns. She got blood cold as ice and a heart made of stone, but she keeps me alive. She's the beast in my bones. She gets everything she wants when she gets me alone, like it's nothing. She got two little horns and they give me a little bit.
Diyan ka na lang. Para babounce din ako kasi maglilinis ako ng kakabit. Sama na natin si Matt dahil leader naman siya. Kasama nyo na. Wala. Ay, leader na ba siya ng answer?
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa tingin ng kalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Tangi kong iling sa mga tala. Napintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pagtropiko. Can't wait to go back with you sa islang pagtropiko. Sa islang pagtropiko. Sa islang pagtropiko. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na?